It's 2:47 in the morning. The world is asleep, but your workday isn't over. Emails keep arriving. Deadlines keep moving closer. Content needs writing. Videos need editing. Designs need creating. And somehow, you're expected to do it all alone. Every entrepreneur, creator, and business owner knows this feeling. The dream of success slowly turning into endless hours of work. But tonight, everything is about to change. Imagine needing a writer, a designer, a video editor, a researcher, and an operations manager, all at the same time. Building a team like that could cost thousands of dollars every month. For many people, it's simply impossible. The workload grows larger every day, and the mountain of unfinished tasks seems impossible to climb. Until a new kind of workforce emerges. Faced with burnout and frustration, one question begins to echo through the digital world. What if artificial intelligence could handle the jobs of an entire team? What if one person could suddenly gain the power of dozens? Hidden within the rapidly evolving world of AI, the answer is already waiting. The first breakthrough arrives in the form of an intelligent assistant. ChatGPT isn't just a chatbot. It's a writer, a strategist, a researcher, and a brainstorming partner rolled into one. Need a business plan? A marketing campaign? A YouTube script? What once took hours can now happen in minutes. The age of AI-powered productivity has begun. Blank pages no longer feel intimidating. Ideas flow instantly. Blog posts, emails, sales copy, social media content, and video scripts appear almost effortlessly. What once required an entire content department can now be accomplished by a single person working alongside AI. The creator begins to realize that the rules of the game are changing. Next comes a tool that transforms imagination into reality. MidJourney turns simple descriptions into breathtaking works of art. Logos, product concepts, marketing graphics, and cinematic illustrations emerge from nothing more than words. Suddenly, the need for a large design team begins to disappear. A rough idea becomes a polished masterpiece in seconds. Concepts that once required days of revisions now appear instantly. Creativity is no longer limited by technical skill. The creator discovers a new superpower, the ability to visualize anything they can imagine. But images alone aren't enough. In today's world, video dominates attention. That's where Runway enters the story. With a few simple prompts, static images come alive. Entire scenes are generated from text. Visual effects that once required expensive studios can now be created from a laptop. The impossible becomes ordinary. Professional quality videos appear without cameras, actors, or production crews. A creator who once struggled to edit simple clips can now produce cinematic experiences. The barriers to filmmaking begin to crumble. Then comes the analyst. Claude enters like a digital librarian with access to limitless knowledge. Massive documents, research papers, business reports, and complex strategies are processed in moments. Information overload is replaced by instant clarity. Thousands of pages become a handful of insights. Weeks of research shrink into minutes. Instead of drowning in information, the creator now navigates it effortlessly. Knowledge becomes a competitive advantage, available at unprecedented speed. Finally, the most powerful force of all arrives: automation. N8N connects tools, systems, and workflows into a seamless machine. Emails send themselves. Leads are processed automatically. Data moves exactly where it needs to go. The business begins to operate with almost no manual effort. Now the pieces come together. ChatGPT handles strategy and content. MidJourney creates stunning visuals. Runway powers video production. Claude delivers research and analysis. N8N automates operations. 5 AI tools. 5 entire departments. One unstoppable creator. Days become more productive. Projects launch faster. Ideas turn into reality with incredible speed. While others struggle to keep up, AI-powered businesses move at a completely different pace. The creator who once worked alone now commands an entire digital workforce operating 24 hours a day. The future of business isn't about hiring the largest team. It's about building the smartest systems. The entrepreneurs, creators, and innovators who embrace AI today will shape the industries of tomorrow. These tools don't replace human potential, they multiply it. And for those willing to adapt, the possibilities are limitless.